What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, because I know you're gonna get something informational today. Today we're gonna be talking about the 245 No Drip Color Enhancement. I'm gonna be doing a review over that product. That's the color enhancement that we use in the Beam Team XL that 245 put out. I got this idea from a subscriber that commented on my last video. In the video, I just told my subscribers to give me some ideas on what kind of content to put out. So this was a good idea to put out because I do have the Onyx Black and the black brown color enhancement colors, and I'm going to show you those right now. So I do need to re-up on the black brown color, but the Onyx Black I have not used at all. I just got it. So this is the black brown. I haven't shook it up yet, and this is the Onyx Black. So like I said, brand new, still haven't used it. I just popped the plastic off of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake these up. They say to shake for 2 minutes to actually get all the chemicals combined and mixed up properly. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the outcome of the colors after I shake it up. All right, so as you can see here, I got the black brown, and that's what we're looking at right now. That's the 245 black brown color we got there. And this is the 245 Onyx Black. So you can tell just by looking at these, completely different. This one is way lighter than this one. So we're gonna see what the Onyx Black looks like. I don't really have a lot of clients with like super black hair, but I do have a good amount. But I went through like 3 of these bottles already. In my opinion, it's a really good product. You know, it lasts, from what my clients say, it lasts about 2 to 3 days. But a lot of my clients that come in are weekly clients. So with being weekly clients, it's easier to maintain the color that I put in. Also, I don't use it on every client. You know, there's a lot of clients that don't really care for color enhancement and stuff like that. So, you know, that's cool too. Anyways, like I was saying, we'll throw these in the air compressor, and I'll show you what it looks like laid down on some paper towel. So I'll throw this one in first, clean it out with a little bit of alcohol, and throw this one on right afterwards so you can see the type of color that it puts out. So this is the Beam Team XL compressor system we have here. I'm not doing a full review on that, but you know, power on. This is where you house the color enhancement, and it shoots out. Right now, whatever just came out is actually alcohol. I always throw on a little bit of alcohol in there and spray that out before I actually put the color enhancement in, just to clean out whatever's in there. I will say that this thing, if you do not properly maintain it and clean it, it does get clogged up pretty quick. So the best thing to do is to run alcohol through the system as soon as you're done with the client. So every service, clean it out with alcohol. All you gotta do is, like I said, just spray a little bit of alcohol in there, and then just spray it through, and it'll go right through there and clean out all that stuff that's still stuck in there. So with that, it's all cleaned out. Now we can get to the portion where I'll show you what the color looks like actually laid down. So I'm just gonna lay this down so the color doesn't actually seep through the paper towel. And I'm using 2 different paper towels, one for the black, one for the black brown, one for the Onyx Black, so you can see the difference in the colors. So the first color that we're gonna do will be our black brown color. So I'll go ahead and get that mixed up. Then we'll go ahead and pour it. I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Don't need to waste too much. Go ahead and turn it on. And here we go. So you can see, you just lay a small coat down and you can see the color. And I'm shooting from about 3 to 4 inches away. So, you know, just a light coat, that's what we're looking at right there. But that's the black brown color, and you can see the brown and black. But I'll go ahead and throw a little bit more on so you can see like a darker shade of the actual color. So we'll throw a little bit more in. I'll make it more concentrated in one area. So there is your black brown color. So it's pretty dark brown. but I've used it on many clients, you know, clients with lighter hair, blonder hair, and you just put a light coat on and you can actually mimic the color they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned out, and then I'll show you the black brown color. All right, the next color we're gonna do is gonna be the Onyx Black, as you can see right there. Gonna go ahead and shake it up a little bit more, and then we'll throw some inside the Beam Team XL. So got it mixed up. We're gonna go ahead and pour it into the Beam Team XL. And this is the Onyx Black color that we have here. And I'll go ahead and do a light coat from about 3 to 4 inches away like I did this side. So as you can tell, this one is a lot darker. It's a darker shade. It's the Onyx Black, and this is your brown on the top. So big difference. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a darker shade so you can see what it looks like, more concentrated. So. So that is how black we're getting. So it's really dark, but I think this will be good on a lot of my darker bearded clients, darker haired clients. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this out. So just wanna make sure that alcohol gets passed through there and cleans all that stuff out. Like I said, it gets clogged up pretty fast. So after every use, you know, make sure that you're cleaning it out properly. That way you don't have to be deep cleaning it regularly. That is a pain and a hassle. But as you can see by the little demonstration I just did, there is a big difference in both the colors. I do see that both colors will be beneficial in the shop with different colored haired clients. So like I said, the black brown I use on a lot of clients who are like a dirty blonde, you know, or a lighter shade of brown. As long as you use it sparingly on clients like that and not put it heavily concentrated, you'll get a good blend on the hairlines, on the beard lines, and it'll look very natural. I'm anxious to see what the Onyx Black will look like, but I'll be putting out a video soon using the Onyx Black on an actual client. This is just a quick overview of the colors. I can give you a review on the black brown. I use it all the time. I think that this product is a very good product, especially with the Beam Team XL. It's very convenient, it's very easy to use. I really have no problem with it. The only thing that I could say is that I wish it would last a little bit longer. It is alcohol based, so it's easy to get off your skin. So if you get on your skin, just rub a little alcohol, you're good to go. You can see in a lot of my previous videos, if you go watch those, I do use the Beam Team XL in a lot of my tutorials, and you can see how it's getting laid down on the skin and my techniques on using it. I will, like I said, be putting out a video over the Onyx Black color, give you guys more an overview for that. But like I said, this is just a basic overview of the 245 No Drip. I have no complaints for it. Like I said, the only thing that I think could have done better was just the length, the longevity of how long it lasts on the skin. But you know, that's really the only thing that I can say. But like I said, everything else, you know, how it's applied is extremely easy. You can take it off the skin extremely easy if you overshoot. You can edge it up easily. So I really have no complaints. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some information out of it. If you did get some information out of this video, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 700. We're on the road to 1,000 right now. I'll take 10,000 if that happens, but 1,000 is the short-term goal. Long-term, you know, much more than that. But I just want to put out content for all of you guys and just to get this information out there for people to learn. I know there's a lot of aspiring barbers out there, so I'm just out here to help everybody. Because when I came into barbering, I went to school, really didn't learn nothing about modern barbering, and everything was on YouTube. YouTube was the help. YouTube was my teacher. So like I said, I'm just trying to help out, spread the love, spread the wealth, spread the knowledge. But like I was saying, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you can hit that subscribe button right here. Catch one of my older videos right here. So click on one of these links, get updated with a lot of my videos. Go catch up, go hit all the like buttons on all them videos and get you some more learning in already. Peace.